Okay, guys, it is the time for tonight's $500 trading tips, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So, guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, so guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, this had been on downtrend for a while, but after getting to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. So it started an uptrend, even though it had a major pullback right from there. And of course, it's trying to go back on uptrend again. So if it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out above that. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay. So guys, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This had been on uptrend right from this support region, and of course it got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there. So it started the downtrend right from there, gave us a sell signal right from there, and of course it has been selling since then. Okay, so just got to this TP, and of course if it breaks out below this, we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's move on to Paynex 1200. Okay, so this is Paynex 1200. It had been on uptrend for a while, but after getting to the resistance zone, it was unable to break out from there. So it started the downtrend right from there, and it had been selling since then. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, this particular asset was a bit slow today. Okay, so it had been on uptrend for a while, was unable to break out above this, tried to go on downtrend, but at this point it was unable to go below this, so it's trying to have a pullback at the moment. If it goes back till it gets to this resistance zone and breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, then it will go back on downtrend and try to break out from here and even sell more till it gets to this particular support, I mean TP, and the next TP after that. Okay, so this is buying at the moment, even though the um buying might not be for a very long time in case it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, let's move on, guys. Let's move on to FX volume 80. Okay, so guys, this is FX volume 80. This started an uptrend right from here, got to this region, had a pullback, went back up again, and of course still unable to break out from here. So it's selling at the moment. If it sells and it gets to this particular support region, and if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more and may likely get to this region. But if it does not break out below this, then it will go back up to try out this resistance zone again to see if it will be able to break out above it. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity at the moment until it is unable to break out below this particular support zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. Selling at the moment until it's unable to break out below the support zone that is um, right there. Okay, so I will be stopping right there. I hope you guys have gotten the gist about today's analysis. Kindly go through the video over and over and understand the analysis very well before you go into the market. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.